wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best sewer hose kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Each section of the Camco Revolution swivel compresses down to a couple of feet in length, which comes in pretty handy when space is at a premium. Pre-fitted 360-degree connectors and a translucent bayonet elbow fitting complete this set. It seals tightly to prevent leaks and is a heavy-duty vinyl construction, but it's too wide for many bumpers. At number 8, 2 10-foot lengths of 18mm vinyl tubing, a 4-in-1 adapter and a clear extender connection make the Camco Deluxe 39658 a good choice for frequent travel and long-term use. It also comes with drip caps for mess-free storage. It includes a transparent elbow and is 28 inches long when fully compressed. However, some of the fittings are not standard. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Thetford Titan Premium features a patented rotating multi-adapter with a handle for quick and easy discharging. It's resistant to abrasions, punctures and temperature fluctuations, but may not be the longest-lasting option. It's equipped with extended grip fittings and 2 end caps, but it doesn't compress for compact storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewer hose kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Camco Rhinoextreme RV comes with reusable locking rings and end caps to keep drips and dribbles from fouling your storage space between uses. Its swivel bayonet elbow and lug fittings make for swift and effortless attachment to both your system and on-site connectors. This one's resistant to crushing and pinholes and works with threaded or slip valves. However, some of the connections can leak. Moving up our list to number 5, the prest-o-fit blueline uses push-on quick connectors that secure it without the need for clamps, yet they're still highly resistant to leaks, thanks to X-ring seals. This system is reliable in various weather conditions. It comes with easy-to-use friction-fit components and can be extended with a simple coupler, but the material is a little thin. At number 4, for the power of pulverization without the need for electricity, the Valterra solution works like a macerator, using an influx of water to break up solids and dilute the gunk it pumps. It can also be used to flush and clean the system after dumping. The line doesn't kink and it fits most standard connections. However, it takes a while to drain a tank. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, available in 15 and 20-foot lengths, the Valterra Dominator features a UV-stabilized construction that maintains its flexibility down to minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can trust it to bask in the balmy sunshine or tackle snowy regions. It's equipped with easy rotating fittings and a clear universal adapter. It has a thickness of 23mm. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewer hose kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the tubing of the Camco Rhinoflex is made of sturdy polyolefin reinforced with steel wire, so you can rest assured that it won't collapse even under a good deal of weight. A removable 4-in-1 adapter makes it easy to hook up at any type of site. It comes with bayonet and lug fittings, a translucent elbow and storage caps. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with the Lippert Waste Master, a leak-proof cam lock system ensures a secure, drip-free connection, and an exterior helical coil means less nasty stuff will get stuck on the inside of the line, making for easier operation and cleanup at the dump site. It includes a nozzle with an easy grip handle and a clear view 90-degree discharge port. It's UV protected for durability. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewer hose kits, or simply click beneath this video.